Okay, so when I do go to Dollar General, I'm going to be trying doing a urban 5C kit. Because in the urban situation, 5Cs are pretty much what you'll need. The next time, I'll add another 5Cs. The last 5Cs. Um, I'm going to look up right now, actually, on urban 5Cs. So, yeah. Anyway, for cordage, I'm probably going to be getting hemp cord because that's super strong. Of course, if I want to make whatever, I'll probably do hemp and whatever if I can. So anyway, yeah, it's been post-apocalyptic survival, helping you survive in the wasteland. Okay, back from the original. Let me look up the. I want to do this in order. So, 5Cs of survivability. Wow, I told you. I'm doing this from okay, cutting tool. I of course chose one of my favorite things, paper knife. Yeah, combustion. Two cheap dollar something big lighters. Since we'll be in an urban setting, it don't matter, right? Okay. Cover. I went ahead and just got these three plastic ones. This will fit into the bag I'm going to put it in. So there are three of them. Three plastic tablecloths, black, of course. So I don't have my, oh, container. I have a couple. Yes, I do recommend the 1 quart oil storage container. This is for food, so it's food safe. Okay, cordage. Did I bring the cordage? What? Oh, yes, I did. I got dollar hemp cord and $3 jute twine. One for whatever, and this for if I have to, whatever. Right? I also got Ziploc. Yes, I got the Ziploc in the hefty. So I got the Ziploc 14 freezing gallon. Yes, I want to put more of these in there. So, yeah. Then I got two of the hefty freezer slider gallons. I get gallon bags, so it's one. I know it's 1 quart, one whatever per person per day. But I got two of these. Then I decided, you know what? I was watching a Frank Bush video, so I decided to buy bandanas. Right? I tried now. I'll tell you now. I have two pocket carry. Like I have this for my pocket carry. This is actually included into my pocket carry, my multi-tool knife, and my Ozark Trail multi-tool. So, yeah. Then I decided, what is something that you're gonna? What's a basic thing you're gonna need for urban survival? First aid kit. Yeah, they do it all. Then I decided to get flashlight. Small enough flashlight. It's gonna do the job that it needs to. It's a Dorsey. Yes, I know. But yeah, that's what I got. I have the food. You know. Now, if you're in an urban survival situation, this is the basic you'll need. Because let's do it here. I'm thinking about, okay, well, what if, right? I would recommend food with it, like some rice. Frank Bush had some rice. He had some, you know, peanuts, and Device had a little bit of the dry vegetables in it. Because he was doing an overnight thing. If I remember the name of the video, which actually inspired me to do this, because I was like, but yeah, I do have a toothbrush cover for this, so don't worry about that. The other one I will always buy these knives because they're nice. You can easily get away with having it. You say, well, I work as a cook and I need a paring knife, and I was like, oh god, I don't have a paring knife. Bam, so I decided to get a cheaper paring knife. By the way, these are $1.50 now. Thank you, Biden. Yeah, that's the politicalness of this thing. Also, I do, as you know, have this with a fill rod. I won't be using the fill rod because, here's the thing. I'm thinking of, okay, what if I already had the stuff? Now I'm in an urban environment. I had to, I would also have some knowledge of what's edible, what it looks like. Yeah. You can watch the Frank Bush videos. He shows you, okay, this is this is that. So yeah. Now, of course, I am going to be putting a few of these into, the whole bag I'm going to carry is one of these, basically. So yeah. Now, I know you're like, why'd you pick this? Bush pot. See? It's a bush pot. $6 bush pot. Plus this has a strainer. That you're like, okay, well, you're cooking, noodles or whatever. And you want to, and it keeps the noodles in there. I recommend this for that reason too. It's a nice little bush pot that will last, actually. So yeah, that's my 5C kit with a little bit extras because you don't know. If you have to, you're going to need a bandana, a cotton bandana to filter water before you boil it. This will be your every use thing. Every use doodad. These will be for, the ones I put into the bags, will be for water collecting, foraging, and all that. Now, I'm thinking more of, okay, I have bushcraft mentality, okay? By the way, it is, if you wonder, it's gray and a blue. Yeah. So, yeah, I'm going to get this set up. Let's see which one I want to do. Honestly, which one would be better would be this one, actually. So let me get one of these out. Yep, and I cut myself with, I always manage to cut myself. That's it. Take one of these out. Should be, I will have a little book bag with it. I'll probably end up, I might actually just end up yep, and I cut myself. But it's okay. Let me take a little bit of this off. Just to get, yep. Keeping this in here just in case the batteries leak. So. I always get the soft cordage anyway because it's cheap and it's easy to use. Yeah, it's not that bad. I knew, like, how are you going to fit this into this bag? You'll see. Right here. Like this. It's a quart bag, so it should hold. Yeah, it does. Then let's get the bananas in the middle of this. Actually, what I should do is actually take both of these off this, because that'll be easier. I can do this. I will, like, if I'm in an environment, I will actually be washing these in a potable sink, like a park or whatever, to have those ready. Bam, bam. Now, no one could be able to fit this in here, so, yeah. Let me get a few of these bags, too. Now, this is what I will do a lot of bags, like at least 3 or 4. I got 4 of them, which is good, because this will last you a few days, because this is a basic, like, a couple day thing. I know I can't get this in here, hopefully this does. You will not fall. I'm sick of all you things falling. But I'm probably gonna have a little book bag anyway. So, yeah. Plus, if I had to, I could use this for water. Also, I would recommend baby wipes, which I will be putting into the kit. Okay. Okay. What I'm gonna do this. Put this on the side. I'm putting this in here like this. Then put a few. Put a few more bags just in case. This is a be prepared just in case type of thing. There's 2. Let me get 3 bags. So I have 7 bags just in case. Yeah, I'm serious when it comes to my survival. So I put the I should have put some of these in here, but you know. So yeah, I have the kit, 5C kit, with the first aid kit, and stuff. So yeah, I will be putting food in a separate bag. Basically, it's going to be a small. You know what? I'm going to do the book bag I have. Let me go get that real quick. Okay, found it. Okay, so I put these in bags for a couple reasons. Water resistance and easier to pack. So, then the rest of the C's will probably go in here. Let's see the 10 C's, because I actually forgot what the 10 C's are. I believe cotton bandana is one of them. Okay, so cutting tool got, combustion got, cover got, container got, cordage got, cotton bandana got. I will have the tape. Well, candling I do have. So basically it's more than, all I need is like a couple more C's and I'll be good. So yeah, let's open this. I will have to loosen these because this is a small kid backpack, pretty much. So yeah. Where is the... Okay, this is okay. Now, this will fit though. Doesn't believe it will fit. So, as I said, it will fit. It looks like a Lego backpack. So yeah. Hope y'all liked it. I do have... Wait, do I have a compass? Yes, I do. I actually have a compass coming. Actually, I'd rather find a better compass. Okay, so all I need is canvas needle, duct tape. I have duct tape. I should go get that duct tape too. And, okay, canvas. Wait. Cutting tool have, combustion device have, cover have, container have, cordage have, cotton bandana have, candling, which is flashlight, Then all I need is compass, canvas needle, cargo tape. So this is ready for urban survival. Yeah. So anyway, you know what? I'll actually do a separate one. You know, I would put the stuff in here because why not? So yeah. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. Please give a like. I have been Post-Apocalyptic Survival, helping you survive in the wasteland. Peace.